Greetings, fellow Stitchers. This is Theron. I am one of the teachers at the EGA National Seminar this August-September, New York City. Broadway Bound is the title. I have 3 pieces on offer. The first is class number 225, the cylinder Needlekeep, right here. It's a 2-day class offered Wednesday and Thursday, August 24th and 25th. It's a solid stuffed cylinder that has a little spot on top for your needles, and it features detached buttonhole stitches, some holly point, and some trellis stitches. Second piece on offer is a little 1-day class, Birds of a Feather Flock Together. It's a little sewing book. It's class number 109, and it's offered as a 1-day, as I said, on Friday, August 26th. Opens up. You have a little needle pages stuck in the binding here, a pin cushion, and there's a little scissor sheath hidden behind the pin cushion for your scissors, a bit of stitching on the back, and a little scissor fob to attach to your scissors. Third class is another 2-day. It's a sampler. This one is offered class 325, Flowers and Berries Band Sampler, and it's offered Saturday and Sunday, August 27th and 28th, and features quite a bit of double running stitch, some trellis stitches, satin stitches, long arm cross, diagonal cross, Montenegrin, all kinds of fun things, 4-sided stitch, and a place to put your personalization and the year. Hope to see you Broadway bound.